Right, he's on.
All right. Justin Mario! Jonathan Mario! Okay, man. All right. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Should be an easy one for Justin.
Boys, we're gonna go to sleep.
Okay, all right. You ready? You ready? Let's get it on!
Jonathan's down low. Starts out early. Just immediately disables him, disarms him. Oh, it's a choke block. It may be over before we know it. Oh, neat.
Let's get busy. I'm gonna break you guys up.
Finish him, Just. Good night, Sally. Oh, he goes for the nuts, but it doesn't work.
Oh, choke. Will you tap?
Oh,
Justin!
You're gonna tap. Did I tap? You didn't tap. Go for the choke, Johnny.
What are you, the ref?
You go for the Gracie hole.
No!
You got it. You're still going at it.
Justin didn't even try
For the
it.
Gracie hole.
Justin does not have to try.
He's biting him.
He broke that shirt off.
That's it. That's it. It went up. The winner.